everyone, once again welcome back to our online learning platform SP Lessons Competitive Exams. So today we are going to discuss about the most important topic for every student's life, not only students, even a lot of years experienced professionals are very tensed at the time of preparing a resume, because without resume there is no chance to get a chance in work in any place, whether it's related to IT sector jobs, any type of jobs. The resume is very important and it plays a key role, and it will very useful to grab the attention of employers. So for suppose if you are applying for a job as an intern, you need to prepare an internship resume. For suppose if you completed your education, you need to prepare a resume with all proper details of you. You need to submit and you need to send this resume to the employer's Gmail. At the same time, for suppose you want to quit the present job and you want to apply for another job, you need to submit and work experience resume to the employers. So that is the importance of a resume. So today we are going to discuss how to write work experience on a resume. Before we get to the main question, we are going to address the question that is going on your mind right now. The question is, how long should your resume be? Before we answer the question directly, we will try to explain your dilemma in a simple situation. Let us assume that you write a 2-page resume and the human resource employee at the firm takes a look at and tosses it straight to the trash can thinking, oh, that is a way too long. The same question arises in your mind, which one is right? The answer is a surprising one, both of them are right. Searching on Google that which type of resume will be fine for you is like trying to find the right size for your clothes online. There can never be a single answer, but then again it will only take you a few of your minutes to find out which one is suitable for you. How to write work experience on a resume? What kind of resume is suitable for you? What to keep in mind while writing a multiple page resume? What to include in the work experience section of your multiple page resume? So without further ado, let us try to get to our first question. When you speak of a multiple pages resumes, we only recommend it if you have work experience over 10 years. Use a 2-page resume only if you are extremely experienced or only if a job asks for complete job history. If not, then we recommend you to stick to a single page resume. If your resume has a total of 1.5 pages, try trimming it and cutting it down to 1 page. Fact check related to how to write work experience on a resume. As you continue reading, we assume that you are carrying on with the choice of multiple page resume. Before we get into the details, we are quickly going to list a number of quick facts about a multiple page resume. The first one is, can a resume be multiple pages? Yes, it can be. Second question, what should be the length of an entry-level resume? The answer is 1 page. Third one, what should be the length of an experience level resume? 2 pages. Percentage of employers that recommend a 1-page resume for an entry-level candidate, and the answer is 66%. Percentage of employers that recommend a multiple page resume for an experience level candidate, and the answer is 77%. Percentage of experienced employees who do not use a multiple page resume, and the answer is 39%. The first one is, how long is the resume supposed to be? Well, there is no single answer to this question. Try your best to present yourself perfectly for the job applied in your resume. If you cannot do that in a single page resume, go for multiple pages one. Categories related to how to write work experience on a resume. If you do not have extensive job experience, try to mention the jobs and internships that you have done before. This could also include volunteer work. Only do this if you do not have extensive work experience. While picking out the things to list in your resume, keep dividing them into two categories. The first one is relevant work and job. The second one is irrelevant work and job. Try your best to prioritize the work that is relevant to your field. If you have job experience that goes over 2 years, try to remove the irrelevant jobs. How to write work experience on a resume. For your reference, we have also included an example below so you get a knock of the points that we are trying to make. So once check this work experience on a resume, I have just mentioned very little and trim experience. Just I have mentioned the position and the place and the key points and the interest and the place which I have worked previously. So just try to maintain the same structure, try to maintain the trimming structure for resume if you don't have more than 10 years of experience. So we hope you are liking all our videos. If you have any doubts, you can send a mail as careers@theratafittoolsinfo.com, and you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram too. Thanks for liking our videos, and you can just subscribe and suggest our videos to your near ones and dear ones. So let's try to get maximum content videos and most useful videos. Thank you.